Son of a bitch!
Listen, Carter is the Rockefeller heir. Kill him and you rot in jail for life.
How could you do this, Aurelia? I gave you everything. I brought you this car by working doubles and skimping and saving. And while I'm at the courthouse, you're fucking this guy? What is wrong with you?
Pathetic. You actually thought that I was gonna marry you? And as for the car, you gave it to me. It's mine. Who I'm with and what I do in it is my business, not yours. And let's be real. The Rockefeller heir or a broke bottom-rung mechanic orphan like you? Who would you choose?
Just get the fuck out of my sight.
Watch your tone. Keep it up and you'll lose your place as my pathetic little lapdog.
Come on, baby. Forget this loser. I'm gonna take you back to my penthouse.
Oh, and I know how much you're desperate to keep my attention. So I'll give you 3 days to apologize to me. Go.
Come here.
You wanted to see me?
Yeah. Let's talk about your results. Your sperm motility is exceptional. And I happen to be ovulating. It's the perfect window.
So you called me here to...
Come here.
What are you doing?
What? What's the rush? If we're gonna try for a baby, we should study the technique. Unless you're already an expert.
No, I'm not.
Watch and learn.
Wait. I'm sorry. I had a girlfriend, but we never... I'm a virgin. That's why...
Can you go again?
Of course I can.
Miss Chase, we've just completed the panels. Alex's blood type isn't just rare, it's a perfect match for the unique generational marker carried exclusively by the Rockefeller family.
Rockefeller heir went missing as a child. Could he be...
Mr. Rockefeller? My apologies, sir. Still no trace of your grandson, Alexander Rockefeller.
All these years. If Alex was still with us, he'd probably be married to Victoria Chase by now. Maybe even have a child.
Grandpa, you gotta let this go. It's been ages. My cousin, he's probably gone.
No, don't you dare. I know Alex is alive, and I will find him.
Still clinging to that ghost. I will marry Victoria, merge the Chase group, and show you who the true heir is.
Could he really be the missing Alexander Rockefeller? only a DNA test can prove for certain.
Ow, what was that for? I thought you were gonna...
Thought I was gonna what? Darling, where's my present?
Here you go, baby.
Happy birthday, Aurelia.
Honey, why did you get me these? Where is my diamond necklace?
Be good. Okay? Just a bit tight on cash right now. Next time, I will get you the very best.
My mom said Victoria Chase is fiancé material. You're just an easy lay. Why would I waste real gold on you?
Really? So you'll come to my work party tomorrow? And we can finally put Alex in his place?
Of course, baby. I won't let that bastard off the hook.
Sleep well? Any plans for today?
Yeah, actually, yes. I have a work event later, so I'm not gonna be home till late. You're welcome to come if you're free.
Sure. Yeah, I can stop by later. Just have some errands to run, but you can pick anything from my garage. I left you a key and a little gift. Pick any car you want. No restrictions.
How could she have so many cars? Oh, yeah.
Get the GM. I want him pulling all the stops for Alex Miller's event and upgrade Alex's venue to top-tier VIP specs. I want it ready when he arrives. No. I'm going to the lab first.
You know what I mean? Some of these guys, they really don't know what they're doing.
Holy. Is Alex driving the new Ethereus X Chase Group collab? I mean, that's unreleased.
Get real, Kevin. Ethereus isn't in production yet, okay? The only one in existence is with Miss Chase herself. He probably borrowed it from the store he works at, or it's a replica, yeah? And here is a pity hire from Aurelia Thor. Right? Think a greased monkey like this could afford that? Come on.
Mr. Rockefeller!
Hey, sorry, buddy. This venue is reserved by our CEO, Ms. Chase, for corporate employees. Not low-level blue-collar staff.
My access is not your concern.
Everyone, get a load of this. This mechanic is trying to crash the executives' party.
That's really hilarious.
Well, look who decided to show up. You just can't take a hint, huh? You came all this way to play rich, hoping I'd run back to you?
So this is how you got your foot in the door. What rich, wrinkled sugar mommy is funding you now? Pathetic. No wonder Aurelia dumped you. A worthless loser, destined to die alone.
I carried 90% of my shop's workload and revenue. I've never leached off of anyone. And there's no sugar mommy. I'm newly married.
Oh, please. I know that you're just trying to make me jealous, but a fake ring? You really think that's going to work on me?
So what if he got hitched? What kind of respectable woman would ever marry a mechanic? She's probably some two-bit whore he picked up.
You dare lay a hand on Carter? Who the fuck do you think you are? A tycoon? Or is your wife one? Know your place, you pathetic nobody.
You insult my wife again, and the next one won't just be a warning shot.
Drop the act. Everyone knows you've been coasting on Miss Thorne's coattail for way too long. Every job, a handout. And now you're biting the hand that fed you?
Anyone with half a brain knows I carried that company. And she just took the credit.
You're just a mechanic. Watch your mouth. One word from Carter, and you can be blacklisted from the whole industry.
You know what? The guard shack at my place is empty. It's a perfect fit for someone like you. I'd be doing you a favor.
No kidding. Guard duty for Carter would be perfect for you. Take it.
Sorry, I really did see him drive up in the Aurelius.
The prototype from the collab with Chase Group. Are you blind? On this piece of shit mechanic salary? No, he clearly rented a fake for the night. Sir? Your key card.
That's the Ethereus smart card. The limited edition one. How the hell does he have it?
Well, he is a mechanic, so he obviously stole it from the shop.
Ladies and gentlemen, our enhanced services today have been arranged for our distinguished VIP. Our general manager will personally attend to our guests shortly.
Classic Carter. Only a Rockefeller would do it like this.
I didn't order any of this. Who's behind it? Maybe my mom?
The arrangements have been made as per explicit instructions of Miss Chase.
Victoria, playing hard to get, yet she did this for me. I knew she was hooked.
Just a small gesture. Help yourselves.
Really is the missing Rockefeller heir. Mr. Rockefeller.
Victoria.
I think I found your grandson.
What? You found him? Oh, where is he?
The Otophis Hotel.
Yes, I'm on my way. Yes. Robert! Robert! Get the car!
Carter, you're the only one that can pull this off. The general manager coming to greet you personally, that is Rockefeller pedigree for you.
With you and Miss Thorne leading the way, our futures are set.
It's no big deal. I just wanted to show you all my appreciation. So thank you all for looking after my dear Aurelia.
Thank you, darling. Who do you think you're fooling? A stolen car does not make you one of us. You're just making a fool out of yourself.
My deepest apologies for the delay. I regret that I was not here earlier to welcome you, our honored guest.
Hey, I got it, okay? There's no need for
Sir, my sincere apologies. The oversight was completely mine.
Hey, I'm right here. Who the hell are you talking to?
I'm speaking to this gentleman. Mr. Miller is the esteemed VIP that deserves the utmost care today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Where on earth does a mechanic like you find Victoria's bracelet? What gives you the right to wear it?
This gentleman happens to be Mrs. Chase's husband.
What? No, you're lying. Alex is a mechanic who leached off Miss Thorne. He couldn't possibly be married to Miss Chase. He paid you off. Yeah.
Robert, please, faster. I can't wait to see my grandson.
Her husband? This is a paid act. He's hired this pathetic manager just for show.
That's all right. We're not buying your crap.
We trust Mr. Rockefeller. There's no way you're married to Miss Chase.
You really think I would go through all that trouble?
Now I see. You've got some cheap knockoff Victoria's bracelet. But the man she's engaged to is me. I am her fiancé.
Engaged? Since when? You never told me about this.
Get lost. None of your fucking business.
Stop this. He's under Miss Chase's protection.
You got me with a wrench last time. This time, I'm breaking you. Bone by bone.
Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Beat him! Yes, my prick! Break his face! Beat him! Beat him! Beat him! Break his face! Beat him! Get him! Yeah!
Hit him, honey!
Come on, do it! Let's get him up his ass!
Stop!
Click the link below. You can watch the entire series.